This is the blueprint. The real way to become a millionaire. Now, not someday. If you're tired of losing and ready to win, listen up. No shortcuts, no excuses. Let's go. Most people think becoming a millionaire is about working harder or having some secret trick. But here's the truth. It all starts in your mind. Your mindset is the foundation of everything you'll build. If you want to become a millionaire, you first have to think like a millionaire. Let me explain. The average person thinks in terms of survival. How do I pay my bills this month? How do I make enough to get by? Millionaires? They think in terms of growth, opportunity, and leverage. They don't just trade time for money. They figure out how to multiply their time and resources. The first shift you need is from scarcity to abundance. Stop focusing on what you don't have and start focusing on what you can create. Millionaires aren't lucky, they're proactive. They're constantly asking themselves, how can I provide more value? How can I solve bigger problems? How can I make my money work for me? But here's something people rarely talk about. Millionaire habits start small. It's not about suddenly having $1 million idea. It's about daily discipline. Reading books, learning from mentors, waking up earlier, setting clear goals and tracking them, staying healthy because your energy fuels your productivity. And don't underestimate the power of environment. Who you spend time with matters. If you're always around people who think small, who complain, who settle, you'll naturally adopt their limits. Millionaires surround themselves with winners, mentors, high achievers, people who inspire them to level up. Another key trait, long-term thinking. The average person wants quick results. Millionaires are patient builders. They're willing to sacrifice instant gratification for future freedom. Whether it's saving, investing, building a business, they know that wealth compounds over time. If you want to follow the blueprint, you need to first adopt the mindset. Abundance over scarcity, growth over survival, long-term over short-term, value creation over time trading. Without this mental foundation, no strategy or tactic will stick. Millionaire success is 80% mindset, 20% mechanics. The good news? Mindsets can be trained, and once you shift your thinking, the rest becomes inevitable. Mindset opens the door, but skill set builds the empire. Millionaires are masters of high-income skills. They don't just work hard, they work smart, with leverage. So what are these millionaire skills? Here are a few universal ones. Sales and persuasion. No matter what field you're in, if you can't sell ideas, products, services, you're capped. Selling isn't just about making money, it's about communicating value. Millionaires learn how to influence, negotiate, close deals, marketing, and branding. In today's world, attention is currency. Millionaires know how to attract attention, build a personal or business brand, and use marketing to scale. Whether it's social media, copywriting, storytelling, they understand that the best product doesn't win. The best known product does. Money management. Earning is just step one. Millionaires are masters at managing, multiplying, and protecting their wealth. They learn about investing, taxes, debt, and risk. They don't just hand over control to others, they stay financially literate and proactive. Problem solving and leadership. Millionaires solve problems at scale. They build teams, systems, processes. They delegate low-value tasks and focus on high-leverage activities. They know their time is the most valuable asset, and they guard it ruthlessly. And perhaps the most important skill? Learning how to learn. The world is changing fast. Millionaires are lifelong learners. They don't rely on degrees or credentials. They stay adaptable by constantly upskilling. Every book they read, course they take, mentor they learn from, gives them an edge. If you want to follow the blueprint, you need to invest in skills before you invest in assets. Why? Because skills are the ultimate asset. They can't be taxed, stolen, or lost. They travel with you, unlock opportunities, and compound in value. So ask yourself, what skill can I master that makes me valuable? Not in 10 years, right now. Can you sell? Can you lead? Can you build systems? Can you create content? The market doesn't pay you for effort. It pays you for value delivered. Don't wait for a magic idea. Millionaires don't sit around waiting. They build themselves first. And once you're valuable, opportunities will chase you. Now you've got the mindset and skill set, but you need a vehicle? A scalable way to create wealth. This is where most people get stuck. They have the right attitude, maybe even the right skills, but they're in the wrong vehicle. Here's the truth. Your 9-to-5 job alone won't make you a millionaire. It might pay the bills, but it won't create wealth. Millionaires build or own equity, assets, systems that generate income without direct time. What are the common millionaire vehicles? Entrepreneurship. Starting a business is one of the fastest paths to wealth. It's risky, yes, but it offers unlimited upside. Millionaires solve problems for the marketplace at scale, whether it's a product, service, or platform. They leverage teams, systems, technology to multiply their impact. Investing. Whether it's stocks, real estate, startups, crypto, millionaires understand how to make money work for them. They don't just save, they invest intelligently. Every dollar they earn is a soldier that goes to work, creating more dollars. Content and personal brand. In the digital age, millionaires build audiences. Think influencers, YouTubers, educators, thought leaders. The internet gives global reach with low cost. Your knowledge, voice, and story can scale infinitely online. Licensing and intellectual property. Millionaires create assets that earn royalties. Books, music, patents, software. Instead of trading hours for dollars, they create something once and get paid repeatedly. The key here? Pick a vehicle with leverage. A job trades time for money. A scalable vehicle trades systems, media, or capital for money. But remember, every vehicle requires skin in the game. Millionaires take calculated risks. They invest time, money, and sweat up front, knowing the payoff isn't immediate. They play for equity, not just salary. So which vehicle fits you? Are you more entrepreneurial? Investment-minded? A creator? The blueprint works, but you need a vehicle aligned with your strengths and passion. The best part? You're not limited to one. Many millionaires start in one vehicle and diversify into others. But don't spread yourself too thin at the start. Focus creates breakthroughs. Finally, here's the hardest truth. Ideas are worthless without execution. Everyone dreams of being rich, but millionaires act. They implement. They take imperfect action and adjust along the way. Execution isn't glamorous. It's not about grand gestures or viral moments. It's about consistent, daily progress. Millionaires set goals, break them into steps, and attack them relentlessly. Let's talk execution strategies. Set measurable goals. I want to be rich isn't a goal. I want to earn $100,000 in 12 months through X business model is. Millionaires are specific. They track progress, they measure outcomes, they hold themselves accountable. Block time for high-value tasks. Millionaires don't fill their day with low-return activities. They protect time for thinking, planning, creating, selling. Every day they ask, what's the highest RO I use of my time today? Take massive action before you feel ready. You'll never feel ready. Millionaires launch products, pitch clients, make investments before everything is perfect. Action brings clarity faster than overthinking. Build systems, not just habits. Millionaires automate, delegate, document processes. They build businesses and investments that work without their constant presence. Habits are personal, systems are scalable. Stay resilient through setbacks. Every millionaire has failed. The difference? They kept going. They didn't quit at rejection, criticism, or loss. They used setbacks as lessons, not excuses. Execution also requires ruthless prioritization. Not every opportunity deserves your attention. Millionaires say no more than they say yes. Every yes is a commitment of time, energy, and focus. And here's the big secret. Millionaire success isn't linear. It's messy. You'll have seasons of grinding with little payoff, followed by breakthroughs that change everything. Millionaires don't need immediate results. They trust the process. Let me leave you with this. Becoming a millionaire isn't about luck, privilege, or genius. It's about following a proven blueprint. Shift your mindset, build your skill set, choose the right vehicle, relentlessly execute. Most people stop at step 1 or 2. Few make it to 4. But if you do, you won't just hit a million. You'll have the tools to build millions again and again. The blueprint is simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. The question is, are you willing to do the work? If you are, I promise, your millionaire future is inevitable.